So for this task, it will be based on the previous task. We need to create again a report, and based on the query, we're going to list the invoice number, the customer name, all the product details, the order date, the quantity, and this order date will be for the invoices. We have to enter two values that are going to be in the order date. So these values will be like in between. So obviously it's going to be during the runtime because it will be input by the user. So again, it's going to be like this, going to be a dynamic parameter. So I have already added the query, and I added all the three tables, and I added all the fields, as you can see, all the fields. So it will be starting from invoice number, customer name, and then all the product details, after that the order date and the quantity. So now we need to go to the order date over here. So let me expand it so you can see it properly. I need to put it between 2 dates. So the values need to be between 2 dates. Over here, whenever we run it, you can see in the order date starting from 2019 up to 2020. So obviously the values will start. This is our first range going to be, so we can ask them to enter the start date. And here it's more appropriate to put and, because it's going to be in the range between two values. So this value and the another value, and enter the end date. So again, when I'm going to put this second value, it needs to be specified as well. It needs to be less than specific value. There is nothing here to be mentioned as inclusive. So they did not mention it in the question paper that the value needs to be inclusive. So obviously I did not put any equal sign. Now let's run it. Let's put between 2018 and 2020. You can see it's giving me all the values, and then you can keep testing and modifying and keep checking. So I'm going to save this as task 10p start and end dates, and based on this we can just now create our report. So you can select it as landscape, and then you can choose also here. So let's put the date 2019 2020. All right, let's copy this, the name. I'm just going to take the name and add it into our report. Okay, now let's just do the final adjustment. All right, just few minor adjustments that we need to do it here. For example, the name, the color, sorry, not the color, it's the date is not showing clearly, which is the most important now, which will be dynamic. Okay, and you can reduce the color as well. Just make sure anthracite is the largest one, so keep proper spacing, and then you can do for the others. So that's the final report of this activity, and let's move to the next. This is actually a task, and let's move to the next one. Is going to be an activity.